I've got a new model from Tarmac Works here in front of me. It says Gunther Werks. That sounds very German, but I'm not 100% sure. Here we have the package. Here we have some text. Freeze that frame if you want to read it. Oh, we can also see that Tarmac Works is active on social media. Still wrapped in the plastic. Let's see, let's take it out. Comes in a very nice box, by the way. So there must be something good inside. A Legend Reborn. I like that. Ah, there it is. It's a Porsche. And the box works with a magnet. You see. So here we have the model 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks. Looks like carbon fiber. I like that. Comes in a nice display case. Official licensed product. That is what we like. And it's probably also a limited edition. Although I can't find it here on the package. Does it say anything about limited? Well, maybe it's not that limited at all. That is possible. And a lot of brands are saying limited edition, which is, of course, it is right, because they're not producing these models in very large numbers. But I think when you talk about limited edition, it has to be like 500 pieces, maybe 1,000. Okay, anyways, let's have a look at this model. I'm afraid it doesn't have rolling wheels, but we will find that out later when we take it off the base. We do have lanced rear lights. Let's use another camera and some more light. Gunther Werks license plate, silver exhaust tip. We got a nice ducktail here in the back. And there is a grill with some blue detail underneath it. I see, I think it's a fire extinguisher here in the back. No heating in the back window. It's a race car and we want all the energy to be used for the power of the engine. Nice bucket seats with a blue stripe in the middle. Gray, I like that. And we got a left-hand steering wheel, and I see some details. All right. Let's do it like this. Yes, there is some details on the dashboard. Poke for shifting gear in the middle. We look at the other side. Yeah, some details here on the dashboard. Nice steering wheel. Would be cool if there was a logo on the steering wheel. If you can put color details on the dashboard, why not on the steering wheel, right? And also the rest of the interior could use some color details, but some color details on the dashboard already makes me happy. Okay, let's take it off the base. One screw. And then I hope to find a metal base. No, I don't think this is a metal base. It doesn't look metal, doesn't feel metal. So I'm a little bit disappointed by that. No, it's definitely not metal. But I do like the tires. The one in the back are a little bit wider. Is that correct? Well, I think so. But we got some details, and yeah, here we got the silver exhaust. Would be cool if this was also silver, but we can't have it all. Okay, the wheels are rolling. That's a good thing. There is a nice Porsche logo in the middle. Brake disc and brake claw aren't moving. Okay, this one is also a little bit rolling, but not that easy. I love the carbon fiber look. We got a Porsche logo here in the middle in the front. Grill here in the front. Lanced front lights. The windscreen wipers are not molded in the glass. Made out of plastic, and we got side mirrors with some silver sticker on it. Overall, very nice car, but for the price, and I think it's around 25 euro, it should have a metal base and some better rolling wheels. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please thumbs up. You really help me with that so I can create more diecast videos. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon.